God always worked through a plan. God did not just operate haphazardly. If we go to the book of Genesis and all the books of the Bible, right up to Revelation, we'll find that whenever God wanted to do something, he always came up with a plan. And if he chose a man to do something that he wanted done, he always gave him a clear plan of action, which could be followed. So this demonstrates to us the importance of plans. If God himself, who can actually create anything from nothing, could depend on a plan to implement what he wanted done, then obviously, you know, with us mere mortals, we need to follow suit and have plans for the things that we want to achieve in life.
Thank you for watching. We hope you have been blessed. For full videos as well as more sermons and teachings from our ministry, visit our Facebook page at Out for Christ Ministries International. Remain blessed.